Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into some Assemble on Soneium quests on Superboard. Superboard is a project similar to Layer 3, where projects will host their quests or campaigns, and you complete them by completing social tasks and on-chain transactions, and you will earn rewards in some form or fashion, and also feed a little kitty along the way. So have a little fun, participate in quests, and earn rewards. Who doesn't love that? But before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Now, if you ever have any issues navigating this space, I have a Discord. Link is down below. Oh, I got cat hair on my nose. So in here, excuse me. You'll be asked a few questions, hit submit. After you answer them, go to the rules and guidelines, click the thumbs up, and you'll have access to all these wonderful channels. Oh, not these, because these are all my servers. Also, you can catch me on X or Twitter at the BCR142. Share a lot of stuff here that I can't get to on YouTube. And I co-host a show called DeFi Crypto Airdrops at DeFi Crypto Airdrop with Veteran Crypto, Veteran for Crypto, and we go live every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. So check us out. And Veteran goes live quite a few times during the week, so we're starting to really ramp this up. So follow our brother channels as well, all these wonderful channels, and let's get into it. Let me close these out. So close tabs to the right. Ooh, okay, never mind. All right, we're gonna meet Arcas. What is Arcas? This is a new one for me, so I'm learning as well. So Arcas is a studio crafting original magical gaming experiences. So you can follow them on X. My back itchy. Join their Discord, Telegram. You don't really have to do that. So add Arcas to your wish list on Steam. Let's see here. Let me log in. I don't have Steam. I just have an account, but I don't really use it at all. I just have it for these things. So whatever email you sign up with, there we go. And you will add to your wish list, right? Yep. And then verify. So Arcas Champion. Oh, it looks like it's a little adventure game. That's cool. I actually like that. I will keep that on my wish list. Thank you. See, that's cool. So we're minting. And then what's next? We'll just go with the next one. Meet Fractal Vision. Fractal. So we're going to mint an NFT on Fractal Visions. What is Fractal Visions? Remember, this is on Soneium, so you'll need to make sure your wallet is connected to the right place. It's slow. It's okay. And I'm just going to close this window. So let's see. Let's check profile, Soneium. Okay, you want to make sure that you're on the right network. Now let's see. These are all pretty cool. Ooh, Mint Shroom NFT. Nope. I think that one is on Optimism. Yeah, you want the ones that are on Soneium. So that's cool. Let's check this out. Looks like I have enough. Very small amount of ETH. Let's see. How much is that exactly? Because I don't want $1.17. And there we go. Let's verify. And we're gonna move on to the next one. Oh yeah. I think it was having issues. Transactions, purchases. But I bought it, no? Yeah. Yep. I bought it. So this might be having issues verifying. I think last time we were having issues. So I'll follow up on this one. All right, we minted that. We're gonna go meet P or 2P2E. That's a weird one. 2P2E. Disclaimer, it's not financial advice. Make your first prediction on 2P2E. Okay, let's check this out. Let's agree. Connect. And make sure you're on Soneium. Yep. Make sure you're on Soneium right here. Okay, we're gonna do one. Oh, so it's 0.001. ETH. So in the next minute, or is this, let's see. So the rule, so every 5 minutes, you must place your prediction before the round begins. And then once the round ends, so the next round will start and have you included if you miss the current round. So there you go. Let's just go down. Wow. We'll see. Let's check the 5 minutes. Okay. So after this and verify, it seems like that one didn't have an issue. So cool. That's good to know. So like and retweet and give them a follow, all that fun stuff. And you can join a round of their on-chain game, play to earn. Do we have to do another, no, we have to do that one. Oh, okay. So I need some more gas. I think I need some gas. Okay, so let's see. Profile. There we go, the Plinko. Because it's already connected, big dog. There we go. So, Soneium, let's play. Okay, I don't have enough funds. So I'm going to bridge some funds over to base from base real. Oh, no, never mind. Where do I have some money? Oh, I can just swap all of this. I'm going to copy my wallet address. I'm sending some gas over to Soneium so that way I can pay for some of this shit. Okay, we're going to play this again. We're going to try and play this again. My wallet's connected. Let's go. Give me them 12 rows, big dog. Come on, let's go. Oh, damn. Well, at least you got a little more than half. That's cool. Well, there you go. You could win 32x or, ooh, 16 rows. Damn, that's, might play that one again. But there you go. Might do some degen gambling on that one. So we're going to skip that Meet Vanna one. So meet Biru. Meet Biru. Let's go. Turn that off. So follow Biru on X. Join the Biru Discord. And mint Biru's brew via Biru. Biru, and blue. I'm just going to annoy the fuck out of everyone. Oh, man. There we go. Let's connect our wallet and get to minting this because let's just... I thought I minted this before. I feel like I did mint this before, but it wasn't during this quest, so 12 cents. That's okay. Oh, that's to approve. Oh, wait. Never mind. There we go. Yay. I like when they confirm. It just feels nice. It just feels nice. Because you don't want to just be having to go back to all these and fucking waste your time. So we're going to jump into Sonus next, is what it looks like. Yep. In progress. So we got Sonus and Mithraeum. So we're going to swap on Sonus and swap at least $2 in token on Sonus. Oh shit, I actually need to... What was... Yeah, the games. I need to go back here. I need to check this 5-minute chart. Predict. That's the one we were on. History, there we go. Nope. It went up, so we lost. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, we are activated. Now at least $2 worth. Is that $2 worth? No, that's not $2 worth. We need to swap $2 worth. And what's the next one? Any liquidity pool. Okay, so we're going to do USDC. I'll just swap a little bit in. Oh, actually, you know what? No, I'll swap that into Sonus. And then we'll do Sonus USDC. You need to have $2 of each. Well, something? Oh man, let's see. Let's see here. I'm not sure what the issue is, but I can't get a swap. Cannot get a swap going. Okay, I might have to come back to Sonus in a different video. We'll come back to that one. Okay, Mithraeum. And actually, you know, I'm going to stop that there because we've kind of run into some technical stuff, but I'm going to come back to these and we'll follow up. But yeah, if you can get those done, you know, complete what we kind of went through and we'll dive into the rest of these on the next video. So thank you for joining. And remember, jump to the Discord, catch me on Twitter, all that fun stuff. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace out.